Good morning, fifth graders. We are ready for our warm-up. We're going to start with finding the quotient. Allie is going to give us the steps to finding the quotient. Go. So we're starting by writing the multiples. All right, so we're trying to see how many times 14 will go into 4,550. We know that it can't go into 4, but we do have a multiple for 45, which is 14 times 3 is 42. We're going to subtract. Bring down that 3 and the 5. Now I got to find out how many times will 14 go into 35, guys? 2 times. 2 times 14 is? 28. We're going to now subtract 35 minus 28, which is 7. We're going to bring down that 0. We know that 14 will go into 70. 5 times. 5 times 14 is? 70 minus 70? 0. Our final answer, guys?
325.
325. No remainder. Thank you, Allie. Writing it down. All right, fifth graders, let's take a look at find the product. We are multiplying 456 times 23. Ace, where are we going to start?
Multiplying 6 times 3.
Which is?
18.
Very good. Then 3 times 5?
15.
Plus 1 more?
16.
16.
Oh, crap.
4 times 3?
12.
Plus 1 more?
13.
He's going to stop right there because we have our first partial product. That's our first partial product, which is 456 times 3 is?
Equals
1,368. Let's go to our next partial product. You can change colors if you like. All right. 2 times 6?
12.
12. Drop that 2. Carry the 1. 2 times 5?
Equals 10.
Plus 1 more?
11.
11. Drop the 1. Carry the 1. Very good. And 2 times 4?
8.
8 plus 1 more?
9.
9. We have 2 partial products here. We know that 456 times 20 is 9,120. So now he's going to add those partial products. Final answer?
10,488.
So now we are coming to our next problem. What is the place value and the value of the underlined digit? Guys, they're asking for 2 answers here. They first want the place value, and then they want the digit.
I'm going to start writing the multiples. Well, not multiples. The place value down there. This is the thousandths place. Now that I've written my multiples, I
Place
can
value.
find the place value and the value of the underlined digit.
Very good. That 7 is in the tens place. And the value of that 7 is?
7.
70. Great job.
I see that we're multiplying by 3, so I'm going to move this decimal 3 times to the right.
Show your number.
5,
54,789. All right, so now we are ordering numbers from greatest to least. We're looking from greatest to least. So I'm going to give Haley the opportunity to show the steps she's going to use in order to find the greatest to least.
So first I'm going to put placeholders. So I know, see that 13 is bigger than 11, so I know that one of these are going to be the greatest. 0 is not bigger than 7, so that would be the greatest. That would be number 2, and then we'll go on to the 11s. See that 7's greater than 5, so this would be 3, this would be 4.
Robin has 2 bags of flour. She has one smaller bag with 75 hundredths of flour and a bigger bag which has 1 14 hundredths. How much flour does she have in total?
Great job lining up those place values. I noticed that he's adding. Kayon, why do you think he's adding? What clue did you see?
Because total means like to add those numbers add up. You gotta add up.
Very good. And our final answer, Ace?
1 and 89 hundredths
1 and 89 hundredths what?
of a kilogram.
Kilogram. 1 and 89 hundredths kilogram. Okay, so here it says, what is the 10 times the value of the digit 7 in the number 5,678 and 321 thousands?
So we're going to move the tens place to 7 and the tens place to the hundreds place.
So 700 is 10 times the value of 70s.
What is the word form of the number 545? We're going to start off by writing 5. Then write 100. This is my answer in one form. 545 and 65 hundredths.
Very good, 5th graders. Remember to review if needed. Pause and add your answers to your morning work if you haven't. Have a spectacular week, guys.